and welcome back to my channel. Hello. So today I am back, and before we get into today's video, I just want to say, if this is your first time on the channel, do make sure that you go ahead and click on that subscribe button, okay? Just make sure you join the family. We have a good time over here, okay? Just go ahead, join the family. While you do that, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about today's video. I'm going to be doing a braid refresh for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to wash and maintain your boho braids. As you see, I have mine on. I've had them for, I think it's been a month. I think it's been a month today, and I think they still look good. And I'm going to be showing you how I've been taking care of mine, so you can learn how to take care of yours. Because it's not a protective style unless you're taking care of your hair, honeys, okay? Okay, now let's get into today's video. First up, I'm going to be showing you how you can wash your hair, and then I'm going to be showing you how to refresh and maintain the curls on the boho braids. So yeah, man, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so let's get into today's video. I am going to be washing and refreshing my braids. I've had them now for about 3 to almost 4 weeks. As you can see, they are quite dirty. There is a lot of product buildup, there is a lot of dandruff, there is quite a bit of beach sand because I was on holiday, hey. But yes, step number 1 in our braid refresh is our apple cider vinegar rinse, or you could use a clarifying shampoo. I just don't have one, so this is how I clarify my scalp at home. I mix a little bit of apple cider vinegar with some water in a spray bottle, and I spray it directly onto my scalp, and where I need it the most, where I need to get rid of product buildup. When I'm done applying the mixture to my hair, I'll let it sit in my hair for around 20 minutes before I go ahead and wash it out. When you're done rinsing your hair, you want to go in with a moisturizing shampoo, and you want to place the shampoo directly onto the scalp. This will help you get rid of the leftover buildup and also the apple cider smell, and also will help you to clean and cleanse your scalp and your hair. This is very important, guys. Don't be afraid to go in twice with the shampoo. I know I did. And then you want to go in with some conditioner. Like I said, this is a protective style, so you want to do all you can to make sure that you are giving your hair the necessary care it needs, and that includes conditioners, because you won't be able to do masks. You have braids. But this is also a great opportunity to detangle your boho braids. So use the conditioning step to detangle the ends of your hair. You know, just make sure those curls are in check, and don't wash out the conditioner roughly, okay? Just run the water through the curls, run the water through your curls, okay? And that is it. We are all done washing our braids. It's really that simple to wash your braids, guys. You really have no excuse, okay? Okay, at least every 3 weeks, do me and your scalp a favor and make sure you wash your braids. This is what my hair is looking after my wash. As you can see, a lot of the product buildup is gone. Love that for myself. Now I am going to go in with the oil on my scalp. This is a very important step for me personally. I have quite a problematic scalp, and it needs a lot of love and care, so I really love to use an oil that will make it feel like it's coming alive, you know. And this one definitely does that. It has a bit of mint and rosemary inside, and it definitely feels so good on the scalp. And when you're done with your oil, you want to go in with your leave-in conditioner. This is going to go on your braids where your hair is, because your hair needs this. this is definitely necessary, and it's also a necessary part of your hair maintenance, but we'll talk about that later. As you can see, I'm just applying it in, and then after that I'm going in with the mousse. Now the mousse is for the curls. You want to focus in on applying it on your curls. Make sure that you use this time to try and detangle your curls, because one thing about boho braids, they will tangle. They will absolutely tangle, and you need to do this whether you have synthetic hair or actual human hair. You know, you use bundles for this hairstyle. You definitely need this. It's a great way of refreshing and maintaining your curls every day. But yeah, there are gonna be curls that you can't save. If you can't detangle those curls, just cut them off, throw them away, and then move on to the next step. The next step, you want to put your hair into braids. If you have synthetic hair, this is a great way of refreshing those curls on your boho braids. Also, if you have real hair in your braids, this is a great way of refreshing those curls. And when you're done with that, you want to go in with your blow dryer. This is a great way of helping your curls to set. And you also want to make sure that your heat is on a low temperature, because we're not trying to straighten the hair, we're just trying to set the curls and also dry the hair. When you're done with that, you want to go ahead and put on your doek, your scarf, whatever it is, because we're going to let the curls set overnight. The next day, you take out the braids, and this is what the curls look like. Refreshed and beautiful. Now let's talk about daily maintenance. I want you guys to go ahead and screen grab this, because I'm not going to go through it. I've already went through it yesterday when I was refreshing my curls. Also, daily maintenance is more like weekly maintenance, because you don't need to do this every day. You'll get a lot of product built up, y'all. But anyway, the last step in your daily maintenance is your oil sheen. I do this because I don't want my hair to look matted. It's not real hair, so I need a little bit of sheen and shine, baby. And after the oil sheen, you can style however you want. I have a half up, half down hairstyle, and yeah, man, this is me. This is my refreshed boho braids. And that's it, guys. That is how you wash your boho braids. In fact, any kind of braids. The only difference between boho braids and your box braids or your knotless braids is that they don't have curls, so you probably won't need the mousse. But other than that, that is how you make sure you take care of your braids when you do a protective style. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something new today. And don't forget to wash your braids, okay guys? It's 2024 now. If you're gonna do a protective hairstyle, make sure you take care of your hair, okay? Alright, I'm all done. I'm gonna go now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe, okay? Okay. And also, before I go, guys, I have this big goal. Okay, I have this huge goal for this year. I want to get 100 followers and subscribers. I really want to reach 100k. So I've been posting every day on my other social media platforms, and I'm going to be a whole lot more consistent on YouTube. So yeah, man, help me to reach my goal, and I will give you guys all the content you want. Anyway, I'm gonna go now and get started on my other video. So until the next video, guys, I'm gonna see you when I see you. Peace.